There's a good reason why my site is called The Thoughts of Microdac, because this is where I share my thoughts. Obviously, I'm not always correct about anything, rarely so as a matter of fact, but if in listening to my argument it gives you the opportunity, assuming that you think for yourself, to affirm your own beliefs based on, of course, logic and reason, then so be it. Today it is very cloudy, and I suspect that rain cannot be too far behind. I don't really want to take my cameras too far away from home when rain is on the horizon. I don't want to get my cameras wet. So, I shot this video through my back door of my little bird pal. I was going to say Tweety, but I can't because that is copyrighted. So I'll call my pal Little Bird. Now, Little Bird is a joy to watch. At least she is to me. Better than commercial television as far as I'm concerned. While I'm watching Little Bird, I'm thinking about this backyard and how much I do love it. In a little while, I'm going into my backyard and I'll be shooting a video from the vantage point of 1 foot off the ground. That's it, just 1 foot off the ground. Oh, what a world. I have to do this soon because the man with the lawnmower is coming before it rains to cut away my meadow. That's what I call my backyard before it gets cut. Yes, I'll be sharing that video with you. For now, though, it's all about Little Bird. Now you're saying, what's the point of this video? Well, who said my thoughts had to have any rhyme or reason? P.S. I hope you're watching this in the highest definition possible, because I would really appreciate your counsel as to what kind of a bird is this. pretty cute, isn't it? Love those lettering? I can't wait to try this on my next 3D video. By the way, it's going to be a beautiful one. I shot it in the swamp.